What we have here is some squeaky brakes. Just gonna look into it today. Maybe we'll do a quick brake job on it. I at least need to take a look at it. I decided to do this today because I got a helper here today. All right, my youngest son John is here, and this all started. It was one of them things that was just kind of an irritating squeak. It still brakes great and everything, but them irritating squeaks just get to you. But he has his Fiesta. I think it's a 2011 Fiesta.
Yeah.
And he did need front brake pads. He left them go. Yeah, we won't talk about that too much, but it's in better shape now. So anyway, while the tools were all out, and I've been putting this off. We already had the jack and the tools for, the difference between a 2011 and 2016. Both Fiestas, it's pretty much the same. So while the stuff was out, I've been putting this off. We're getting to her now. So I think we need to make a parts run is what I'm thinking. And they look normal. Feels good all the way across, nice and even. But what we found out was the back side. Same thing as far as, it feels nice and smooth, but it does just have this weird, I don't know if you'll be able to see this back here because of the shield or not. There's a section on there. It's like a piece of the brake pad is missing where there's not even wear across the rotor. I don't know if you can see any of that. We're probably gonna get these off here. I'm not gonna bother. It's probably still nice and thick. They look like you could remachine them and give them a skim cut on each side and even them all up, make them like new again. But I think these are only around 30 bucks each. And probably gonna just throw some new rotors on it and then new pads there. Yeah, that's weird how that. I don't know if I've ever seen that like that before. It's like there's a section of pad missing. I wonder if like a rock got up in there somehow and dug part of it out. I don't know. It's just a weird pattern. I need to correct all that. Actually, I thought the squeaking was always coming from this side. And this side feels normal. There's no lips, not a lip worn on it. That side feels great. See what's going on back here. Nothing I need to show you. I can feel a little lip at the edge. Sometimes I get a little lip worn on the edge here a little bit, and I can feel it a little heavier on the back than on the front. This one's probably fine. I'll probably just put two new. Just go all new and be done with it for many miles to come. All right, we skipped a bunch of stuff. It's all back together. Guess what? I was all wrong about the price. And I was all wrong about and the availability. They're just not local here today. I need the car, so it's back together. Nothing too terrible is going on here. I do want to put fresh brakes on it, but we're gonna just revisit this here pretty soon. I'll pick up the parts at my convenience. We'll get this thing back up and get the job done. So that's it. We're done. That's it for today.